Sweetie, what are you doing up? You should really go back to bed. It's late. It's late, sweetie. Just go back to bed, okay? Come here, cuddle. It's gonna help you sleep. And there you go. Why do you have that concerning look on your face? Why are you looking at me like that? Sure, sweetie, you can ask me a question. Am I a vampire? The answer is yeah, sweetie, I'm a vampire, okay? Alright, good night, sweetheart. How come I never told you? I don't know, sweetie. We've been living together for 3 years, and I thought it was obvious, like I don't go out in the sun. I don't eat garlic. You've seen me drink blood, and every Halloween I dress like a vampire, and you've seen me brush my fangs, so I don't know, I just thought it was really, really obvious. Why do I have a heartbeat? Okay, well, I do have some human tendencies, I do. I get nervous, I have a heartbeat, I sweat, And I'm gonna be honest with you, I'm not full vampire. I was never bitten by a vampire, so I never turned, right? I'm a hybrid, I'm half vampire, My father, Edwards, he's a vampire, and my mother, Bella, she's human, and they had me and my sister, right? So yeah. So we're just hybrids, and we just have the best of both worlds. I mean, there's a whole movie about it called Twilight. We'll watch it together sometimes, okay? The movie just explains everything, so once you watch it, you'll understand everything, okay? Alright, sweetheart. Good night. Sweetie, you have a hard time sleeping, huh? No. I'm sorry, sweetie. Just don't think about it, okay? You don't need to think about it too much. I'm serious. When I first saw you, I thought you were the most beautiful girl in the whole world. I really did. You were absolutely gorgeous. I was really shocked on how beautiful you are. And I was so nervous to come up and talk to you. I was scared, I was frightened. I never seen anyone so beautiful before. That's why I was so scared. But I knew. And I knew I had to talk to you, so I mustered up the courage to go and talk to you. And as I was walking towards you, my palms were sweaty. My heart was racing. I was so scared, but I did it. I did it anyways, and I went up to you and I said hi. And I remember how you looked at me when I first said hi. You gave me the most disgusting look ever. You're like, how dare you come up to me? I'm just kidding, I'm just joking. I think you were shocked too, but yeah. Then I made small talk and we talked for a bit. And when I asked you, I was surprised. I was surprised that you said yes. And I think that was one of the most happiest moments of my life. Okay, my little princess. Alright. It's time for you to go to sleep, okay? Okay. You, my dear, gotta wake up early tomorrow. So, go to sleep, okay? Alright. Good night, my little pumpkin. Good night, my little teddy bear. Good night, my little honeybee. Okay. Good night, my little princess. Sweetie. How come you're not sleeping? You're hungry. Okay, I mean, we do have a lot of food in the freezer. We got lasagna, pasta, macaroni, ice cream. We have ice cream. Frozen ice cubes. We got these like frozen corn dogs. Salisbury steak. We have like frozen fries that I can microwave. They'll get soggy and stuff. Yeah. Whatever you want, princess. You want the lasagna? Yeah, I can get you the lasagna. Okay, give me 1 second. Sweet, I got you your food, okay? Here you go. Here you go, good. Eat up, okay? Let's cuddle, baby. Let's cuddle while you eat. You know, you got the most beautiful eyes I have ever seen in my life. Your eyes are honestly really something special. Trust me, I'm not saying this to impress you. It's just the way they sparkle, you know, when you talk about something you love. I mean, they're kind of distracting sometimes, but I can honestly tell you I don't mind it. I mean, like, who wouldn't get lost in your eyes? I get lost in your eyes, like, all the time. And sometimes when the light just hits it just right, they glow. They have this unique beauty to them. I can't help but notice it, honestly. But honestly, sweetie, you should be really, 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 really careful. Because with eyes like those, you might steal someone's heart without even trying. I know that you stole my heart. You know, you got the most beautiful lips in the world. You do. You really, really do. There's just something about your lips that just draws me in. It really does. And when you smile, you light up the whole room. And everything just fades away. Except for me and you. And it makes me feel so lucky to be with you. I mean, I can listen to you speak for hours. Your voice combines with the way your lips move. It's just so mesmerizing. It makes everything you say feel so special. And I just wanted you to know how much I appreciate you. I do. Your lips are not just beautiful, they hold so much warmth. They hold so much kindness. It makes it so comforting to be with you. I mean, sweetheart, you're amazing inside and out. But your lips are just a part of it. And your hair. I just love brushing your hair behind your ears. I do. Your hair is so beautiful and soft. And I love the way how the light just shines on your hair. It has its own glow to it, and I can't help but just getting lost into it. And it frames your face so perfectly. And I love the way how my fingers feels when I run through your hair. It feels so silky and smooth. And sometimes when you let your hair down, I'm like, wow. It's like there's a whole another side of you that just comes out. And you make beauty look so effortless. And I'm so lucky to be with you. And it all makes up your beautiful face. You know, every time I look at your beautiful face, I get lost every single time. Your features are so soft and perfect. And I love every single detail about your face. From your eyes, nose, and lips. It just all comes together and it takes my breath away. And how your face lights up when you see me. And I feel like you're lighting up